Hey, it's Glen at Warmboard here, and I'm down in Toms River, New Jersey. We got a new build starting, and hey, let the framing begin. Actually, it had started already. We got the deck in the last week, and today the guys are starting to get the walls up. So let's take a peek and see what's going on. Now these guys decided to do a little bit of routing before putting the walls in, and not all the routing. They're just doing it at the areas on the edges where the walls later will interfere and make it a little harder to do that routing. So he figures, let's just do it before the walls go up real quick. And again, it was just the handful on the exterior of the building. Not a bad idea, because now when the time does come later, these walls are not going to be an issue, and sometimes that makes routing a little bit more challenging.